Hello students, now we had completed about the gametogenesis. We are just trying to see the different events present in the human reproduction. One was completed there, that is gametogenesis. Now we will see about the insemination. Insemination. What is insemination? That is simply the transfer of semen. There is a term we will use further, that is called semen. So transfer of semen into the female reproductive genital tract is called as insemination. So here we will use a better term or proper term for this understanding, that transfer of sperms into the female genital tract. So this is the point where we find the semens or sperms are transferred into the female genital tract. Now what happens after that? Gametes are formed, semens or sperms are transferred, then after the term will be fertilization. Now let's see about the fertilization. This is the important event. After the formation of gamete, they has been transferred, and now the gametes will be fused and they will produce zygote. Now one more thing here, in gametogenesis the gametes were formed and gametes were always haploid in nature. Number of chromosomes will have been half or reduced. But and what happens here in case of fertilization? That is simply fusion of male and female gametes. Now what will be the result of this fusion? Fusion of male and female gametes to produce zygote. Zygote has been made by the fusion of male and female gamete. And look here, these are the stepwise processes. If any step above has been missed, then the next step is not possible to have been there. Now one more thing, the gametes were haploid. One gamete is coming from the male body and one gamete is from the female body, though the fertilization is taking place in the female body basically. Fusion of male and female gametes in female body. One more thing you will remember, female body basically naturally, and they will produce zygote, and these zygotes are now diploid in structure, that is 2n in structure. N male gamete and female gamete and 2n structure has been made. Means zygotes are always diploid. Now the next event will be what? Zygote has been made, but after zygote formation there will be a process that we call implantation. Now let's see about implantation. What happens in case of implantation? Now zygote will show various types of divisions, and showing that various types of divisions in zygote, the specific structure will be made, and that structure will be finally attached to the uterine wall. So here that structure is called blastomeres. So first thing will be blastomeres formation. What are blastomeres? These are the specific structures that is made by the regular cleavage of zygote. We will study in detail these things, but initially you will have been introduced just. So zygote will show regular continuous division, and that division is called as cleavage here. It is a little bit different from the mitosis and meiosis. So zygote will produce blastomere by the cleavage, and blastomere have been formed as well as developed blastomere formation and development. Blastomere formation and development has been made, and it has been attached. Then attachment to uterine wall. So it has been attached to the uterine wall. So this is the implantation. Implantation is also the very important thing. Just after this process, the development will take place, and that is the process where we call gestation. Next point is gestation. That is nothing, simply the development of embryo. Now here the blastomeres has been developed. Now we will find here the embryonic development. The process is here, that is embryonic development. Now one more last thing has been retained here, that is called parturition. That is act of birth of baby. That is simply act of birth of baby. Act of birth of baby is here, in that is called parturition, or you can say delivery of baby. Delivery of baby. That is the parturition. Now we had completed here the basic introduction about the human reproduction, where reproductive events has been summarized here, and after that we will study about the next topic, male reproductive system.